Traditional Chinese medicine is a holistic approach to health and wellness that has been practiced for thousands of years. It teaches that balance is key to good health, and one of the essential components of balance is the concept of Yin and Yang. According to TCM, the universe is made up of two opposing forces, Yin and Yang. Yin is associated with coolness, darkness, and femininity, while Yang is associated with warmth, light, and masculinity. These two forces are always in a state of balance, and this balance is essential for good health. When it comes to nutrition, TCM teaches that different foods have different energies that can increase Yin or Yang in our bodies. Yin foods are cool and nourishing and include foods like fruits, vegetables, and seafood. Yang foods are warm and stimulating and include foods like meat, eggs, and spices. For optimal health, it is essential to have a balance of both Yin and Yang foods in your diet. Eat a variety of foods that are both Yin and Yang in nature and avoid extremes in either direction. TCM teaches that a balanced diet should include a variety of different foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Make sure to avoid extremes. Eating too many Yin or Yang foods can throw off the balance in your body. For example, eating too much spicy food can create an excess of Yang energy, while eating too many cold foods can create an excess of Yin energy. Pay attention to the season. In TCM, different seasons are associated with different energies. For example, summer is associated with Yang energy, while winter is associated with Yin energy. Eating foods that are in season can help promote Yin and Yang balance. Cook your food. TCM teaches that raw foods are more Yin in nature, while cooked foods are more Yang. Eating a mix of raw and cooked foods can help maintain balance. The cooking process can either enhance or reduce the Yin and Yang qualities of the food. Steaming and boiling are considered Yin methods of cooking because they use water to cook the food at lower temperatures, which helps to retain the moisture and nutrients in the food. This method of cooking is great for delicate foods like vegetables and fish, which are Yin in nature. Steaming and boiling are also gentle on the digestive system, making them ideal for people with weak digestion. Grilling and roasting are considered more Yang methods of cooking because they use high heat and dry cooking techniques, which remove moisture from the food and add a smoky flavor. These methods are ideal for cooking meat, which is Yang in nature. Grilling and roasting can also help to bring out the natural flavors of vegetables, but it's important not to overcook them, as this can destroy their Yin qualities. The cooking time and temperature also affect the Yin and Yang qualities of the food. For example, longer cooking times and higher temperatures tend to make food more Yang, while shorter cooking times and lower temperatures make food more Yin. Most important, listen to your body. TCM teaches that everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. By incorporating a variety of Yin and Yang foods into your diet, you can achieve optimal health and balance. Understanding the concept of Yin and Yang in nutrition is a key component of traditional Chinese medicine and can have a profound impact on your overall well-being.